One challenge. Introduce these things.
Describe your behind the scenery.
It's like what is made of? Made of
Food review of traditional food of Bangladesh.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Himo.
English movie
It's a comprehensible input blog, and we are talking
Brother,
about something.
we get the cameraman.
Uh,
We hire one man
I have
for,
what-
for the camera.
yes, we hired a person
Just because of you, brother.
with no money.
No, it's you need to give her money.
How you will give her money? We took a video man for EMI. EMI.
Okay.
EMI. If subscriber will subscribe, like, and do anything, and we got a monetization, after that we will pay.
I think our audience asking why they are confused why I just in front one hand. Why is my other hand?
You said your
There
What?
is my other hand. I gave these things with my bag. It's called Kushtiar Bikhato Tiler Khate. It's called Tiler Khate. It's a sweet item. It's a crunchy item. And it tastes like good taste.
what it is made of? It's made
Tea.
of
It's called
sesame,
sesame,
sesame and
and the
sweet
sugar.
sugar.
Sugar
Is
and
there anything else?
no, nothing.
It's just sugar and sesame.
Guys,
And-
it's maybe food review of traditional food of Bangladesh.
I took several times. I like this kind of food.
It's become much more sweeter.
Our video is a little bit like normal. It is not a bit more interesting. We have to make it bit more
Interesting.
interesting.
Okay.
In order to make, I can't see here. In
Is it interesting?
bit a few years beyond, I can't see anything. Whatever. In order to make it more interesting, we have to like add
Please sound louder.
talk more louder.
Yeah, talk more louder.
Yes, I have to talk
I have
more
to-
louder.
And to edit. That's why I have suffer from many kinds of problem of sound.
You have to raise a sound little bit.
But
And-
it's not the real sound, you know. If I raise the sound, it's just
getting oats.
getting oats, and it sound like machinery, you know.
robotic sound. But we have to like add something into our video, kind
What?
of like
Acting.
act some kind of thing, like whenever
Do you know, guys? I just gave today blood donation. Why don't you inspire them with my this story?
we just donate
Yeah.
blood today, and
I will donate my every organs if you subscribe. Sorry, it's just a joke. What?
you
You're
made-
just
you
you're
made
just
bad
eating.
jokes. I had these things, that's why I ate.
Come back with the lighting area.
This place is much
So
more
amazing.
brighter.
Yeah.
And
Brighter?
brighter.
Brighter.
And
I just
in,
thought-
in American accent, they don't pronounce like they pronounce T like D, brighter, not
Okay.
brighter, brighter. That's
Look
why
great.
I tell about the brighter. And this place is amazing. It looks like some wedding is going on here.
Wedding. No,
Wedding
they just arrange this light for the Eid season, and now it's fixed for every
I-
season.
I'll give you one challenge. Introduce these things
Okay.
behind you. Introduce
Uh,
these things.
this is called the ride of horses. There
Horse
are-
ride.
Horse ride. It is.
It's not a real horse.
It's not a real horse. It's just moving with their hands. Previous days in when I was in child, when
I
when
was
I
child.
was child, that time I saw. That time I ride it. My school over there, and I just came from the school and ride it in my leisure time, and I saw they are moving with their hands. Nowadays it's become a machinery things. It's moving with the
Motor.
motor, and it's a good game. It's a
It's
like,
good,
like a,
not game. It's a ride.
it's a ride. It's a good ride. There is no risk. I thought the old one is better from now. The old one is with the hand, the moving. It was so nostalgic for me, but now it's happen. Now it's
That took much more effort to
effort
spin
to
the,
spin
the
the
whole
ride.
things.
Yeah.
And one man, I rode like several times when that was manual.
Yeah.
That time they spin with their bare hand, and one man spinning the whole thing, was spinning whole thing.
I'm related with this. This makes me nostalgic, and if I were child again, I will I will go right to this
That-
horse ride. Yeah. Brother, I have a challenge for you. Open challenge for you. Do you describe your behind the scenery? What is moving and why they are riding there?
I am inside the park. It is called Shishu Park, and there is behind me there is a one ride that is moving. It is kind of like boat. It's looks like boat, but it is not a real boat. It is. You feel me awkward.
No, it's just
whatever.
cinematic things.
Do just you think it looks like boat, but it is going back and forth. But I had it few times. This ride was so scary.
Do you
For
feel
me.
good with this ride?
No, I didn't feel that much good because when I rode these things, that time I feel like my soul is coming out of my body. Kind
Wow.
of like this. That's why I didn't feel good. And there is you can see lots
It's
of
maybe
lights,
adventurous things.
adventurous things. If you love adventure, you can ride this kind of thing. And there is a lot of light. They what arrange these things up and with beautiful light, a small kind of light, and it is with this light, and people get easily attracted with this place. And that is why I think they decorated with this.
Do you
place.
know what?
That is it for today, and we have to wrap up the session for today.
Yeah.
And I think you will find a bit interesting today's video because we add something challenging. It's go with our
Just describe
series.
something what we see.
See, and if you can pause the video and you can describe what behind us.
Yeah.
Thank you for today. Thank you so much.